it's Jade. Today I'm making my favorite Indian chai with soy milk. Chai simply means tea in English. It's so comforting and delicious. Let's look at the ingredients. We need 2 tablespoons of black tea. You can also use 2 tea bags instead. 500 milliliters of soy milk. 250 milliliters of water. 12 black peppercorns. 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 3 cardamom pods. Lightly crush the cardamom pods to open the husks. 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. First, warm the cups with hot water, then set aside. Bring the water to a boil in a saucepan over high heat. Once the water starts boiling, add the black tea. Reduce the heat to low, then simmer for 3 minutes. Add in soy milk, ginger, cardamom, black peppercorn, cinnamon, and stir well. Then gently simmer for 10 minutes over low heat. It's done! Strain tea through a fine strainer into a cup. Add sugar to taste if you like it sweet. Enjoy! Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!